Hello, I want to show you two amazing bags I use to carry my DSLR camera in. We have the Amazon Basics camera bag and the Enjoy multi-purpose drop bag. These have so many great features. The Amazon Basics camera bag is designed for a DSLR camera, so it has a perfect spot for the camera. Bunch of different pockets for your lenses. It's got a waterproof case over it. It slings over your shoulder. You can slide it forward, easily have access to the camera. It has just so many great features. If you are a big hiker like me and photographer on the go, that's why I really like the drop bag, because you can connect it to your hip and your leg. It fits my DSLR camera very well, and the side pouch fits my zoom lens also. I like this because it, even though it's not very big, it has as many compartments. It is so much easier to use this while I am hiking on the trail. Both of these bags are super useful. It depends on what you are doing at the time, so it is up to you, but these are both great bags.